Hi everyone, Leslie here again. Today we're going to show you how I made these awesome, super cute little gnomes with pull tabs. Not just your regular soup pull tabs, but also the pop pull tabs. Figured why not make some gnomes. I will have the list of all the supplies in the info box below. But so to get started, we're going to use a pull tab, the larger ones, from the soup cans. And I'm going to trim some felt. Next, I cut one of the little fingers off of the glove. Now for the beard, we're going to pull one of the pom-poms apart. And this is how I can make a nice long beard. This is super simple to do. You just pull it apart, you tug at it carefully, and you get this beautiful hair. So I'm upcycling some wire that I took from some flowers. You can use any type of soft wire. So then I measured how long I wanted the arms, glued a couple beads at each end. So I attached the arms to the back of the pull tab, and then I added the felt that I cut previously to the back. Now we're going to add the beard. You can also use the pom-pom as is for a tighter, shorter beard. So I took a couple pieces of the pom-pom and I rolled it between my thumb and index finger to make a mustache. You can use any soft wire to make a mustache shape. This is another option that you have. Super simple to make and so cute. Okay, so now we're going to attach our pom-pom mustache. Let's brush out our little beard. Now we're going to attach the nose. Now we're going to attach the hat. And we're going to trim the beard just so it looks nice and even. And then I cut out a little heart shape out of the felt. We're going to attach this to his little hand. With a wooden bead, I split it in half, and we're going to use this for his little shoes. So attach at the bottom with the round side of the bead facing the pull tab. And then I added a medium-sized bead to give him stability. I wanted to stand up in my little garden. Next, I wrapped some stretchy thread all around the hat just to give it a little more style. Styled his little mustache so you can tell the difference between the beard and the mustache. And there's gnome number 1. For the second gnome, you can see that I'm using these pull tabs from a pop can or a soda can. Then I just pulled a pom-pom right through the bottom and just put a bead of hot glue in the back to make sure the beard stays in place. Then I added with a little bead the nose. Then I cut a triangular shape out of the felt, and this is going to be for the hat. Tried it on to make sure that I had the right size for the hat. Place a bead of glue in the back, and then you can remove it since you have the size going already, and glue the rest of the hat. So there's our hat. Attach it to our little gnome. I embellished the hat with a more stretchy string. And instead of tying it, I glued it down with hot glue, and I added a little butterfly for embellishment. The shoes were the same thing, a bead that I cut in half. Now for the arms for this one, what I did is I cut some soft wire about 1/2 inch long, placed a little bead of hot glue on one end, and attached a tiny little piece of felt for his little hands. And the reason I made the arms this way is that I didn't want the wire showing in the back. So then we're going to stab this right inside the pom-pom. And that's it. I attached a little heart to his hand since Valentine's is right around the corner. And there's that little tiny gnome with the pop pull tab. Let me know what you think. Oh, look how adorable they are. They're so cute. Don't forget to share so that everyone can see what you can do with these little pull tabs. They're so cute. And have a beautiful Valentine's. Thank you guys. Bye.